Dacosta Cup title number 6 for St. Elizabeth Technical High School, STETHS. But surely, this one is the most special for the institution, the campus, the community, the town, the parish, decimated by Hurricane Melissa. Lights out, water gone, roofs missing, homes destroyed. But amidst all that adversity, the leadership of the school, the coaching staff, they motivated and plotted the execution by the players of the tactical downfall of the highly fancied Glenure. As again, the team that played with more passion and heart and fire ended up the victors, even by the thinnest of margins. And STETHS fully deserved this victory, not just on empathy, but on the football they played. Even with 10 men, they crowned themselves champions. And this one was not just for the school or the principal or the coach. It was for the town, the parish, the region, and especially for the people.